Literally, one of the most irritating things in the kitchen, especially around summertime, is these little black, teeny little gnats, flies, fruit flies, whatever. Guess what, guys? They come out of the drain. There are things that build up in your drain that makes these attracted to them. Not only that, but they lay eggs. Every 7 days their eggs hatch, and it's lots of them. If you leave something in the sink, you'll see, like if it's water on it, you'll see them attached to it the next morning. Even with my dishes over here, I wake up and I have to keep rinsing off this dish rack thingy here, this rubber thing, because they get in the crevices, they just fly and just get stuck. It's so disgusting. So I'm going to show you how I get these out of my drain. I used to do this in my old house, but since this has gotten worse, I said, let me try it here. And this is something that is going to kill the eggs inside of the sink. So first off, you want to start off by getting some warm water in your sink, cutting it on, and plugging both sides of your sink so no water releases. And you're going to add, this is Pine Glow. You're going to add a little bit of Pine Glow, and you're going to add some bleach to this, right? Is this going down? Okay, let's make sure. Hold on. Trying to make sure it's not. Okay. On both sides. Some bleach. I say about half a cup on each side. You're going to let this warm water fill up, basically on both sides. Once it fills up, then you're going to release it slowly. After you release it slowly, I'm going to tell you what you put in right after that. So let me get started. Hold on. So what happens is when your sink is open, they get down in the drain, they lay eggs, and they feed on the organic matter that is stuck in there, especially the greasy stuff. So when you are putting greasy stuff down, always use bleach. Sometimes I forget if it's not really greasy. I don't pour grease down my drain, but sometimes I do forget when doing greasy stuff. I've stopped putting bleach in my water, and I only use like Dr. Bronner salsa, so that might be a reason too. But anyways, this right here is going to help to kill those larvae. And no, you cannot ruin your pipes by putting boiling water in your sink and down the drain. So the next step after this fills up, I'm going to show you what I'm doing over here and how we are going to rectify these little irritating pesky bugs that are all in your kitchen. So I'm filling up a thing of water. I'm going to have that boiling. And the reason for the bleach is because bleach breaks up the grease, and it's really hard to get grease out unless you're using some bleach or something very strong that's going to break up that greasiness. The greasiness is what collects in your pipes, and that collection in the pipes allows stuff when it's coming down to get caught in your pipes, and it starts to build a blockage or a place for these things to breed, and you do not want that. You do not want that. And my tap water gets really hot, so that's a good thing. So I didn't need to fill that up this much, but this one is ready to go as well. Now let's proceed to the next step. First step is, this water is hot. Pulling the drains off, these things off, and letting it slowly go down. So that's the bleach and everything working its way through the pipes. Then I'm gonna do the other side. So you want that to slowly work its way down, and boom. Now we're gonna lift this bad boy up and let that one. Now these are two drains, but they go into one, so it's like teed off and it goes down into one drain. So it's gonna get double dosage of the draining and trying to kill these freaking gnats and breaking up that grease down in the drain. This will also help you get a better flow of release as well. So let that drain, and then the next step will be the boiling water, and I'm going to add bleach with the boiling water as well. So let's get into that. All right, we got our water, and I'm going to add bleach to it, but I'm going to show you how much so you can see it. So this is the boiling water, and we're going to add some bleach, about another half a cup, and we are going to pour half here. You see, it's one of the gnats inside this water. I'm going to pour half here, slowly, probably should have did 2 pots, but for video purposes, I'll do it this way. But like I said, it's literally going down the same drain. But just in case that actual pipe has something at the top of it before it gets to that area where it tees off, I'm going to do both sides and then half here. This should help kill those pesky gnats and break down whatever grease or whatever you have in your drain. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any tips and tricks on what you do to get rid of your gnats in your sink, please leave a comment below and I'll be sure to get back with you. If this was helpful to you and you use this, also let me know how it works for you and did you see a change in your gnats. And that is it, guys. With that being said, I will see you guys later, Gators. If you are new to the channel, thank you for watching and join the family by hitting that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I load a new video. And I will see you guys later, Gators.